Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for many classic HP ScanJet scanner owners. The DICED AC adapter, specifically designed for models like the 3500C, 4300CSE, 3690, 4400CC 9880A, and 4470C. For anyone still relying on these workhorse scanners, a reliable power source is absolutely critical, and this adapter aims to be just that. One of the most compelling aspects of this DICED AC adapter is its strong emphasis on safety. The product boasts compliance with international quality certification authorities, ensuring it meets top industry standards. This isn't just a marketing claim. It translates into practical protection for both the user and the valuable scanner. The adapter incorporates numerous safety mechanisms, including robust protection against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and internal overheating. This comprehensive suite of safeguards provides significant peace of mind, knowing that the scanner is powered safely and reliably, minimizing risks of damage from electrical fluctuations. In terms of its core functionality, the adapter offers a versatile input range of AC 100-240V at 5060 Hz. This wide voltage compatibility means it's suitable for use in various regions, making it a practical choice for users who might travel or operate their scanners in different electrical environments. The manufacturer also highlights its high power exchange efficiency, which is crucial for maintaining a stable working temperature. This efficiency contributes directly to the adapter's longevity and, more importantly, ensures a consistent and stable power supply to the scanner, which is vital for accurate and uninterrupted scanning operations. Physically, the DICED adapter comes in a sleek black color, designed for a convenient wall mount. Its corded electric power source is straightforward, and at a mere 4 ounces, it's remarkably lightweight, making it easy to handle and position without adding bulk. The main power connector is a standard 2-pin type, which should be familiar to most users of such devices. A helpful reminder from the manufacturer, and one that any potential buyer should heed, is to always double-check compatibility. While this adapter is explicitly listed for the HP ScanJet 3500C, 4300CSE, 3690, 4400CC 9880A, and 4470C, confirming that one specific scanner model is on this list before purchasing is always a wise step. This ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance. Overall, for owners of these classic HP ScanJet scanners, the DICED AC adapter presents itself as a highly dependable and safety-conscious power solution. Its certified safety features, efficient power delivery, and broad input voltage make it a strong contender for anyone looking to replace an old or faulty adapter, or simply seeking a reliable backup. It's a practical investment to keep those valuable scanners running smoothly for years to come.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.